It is no surprise to know that scammers are always hunting for new victims, and you're their next target. I'm the CyberGuy, and you can find many more of my security tips at cyberguy.com, where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. Now, Leroy, one of our readers from Conyers, Georgia, wrote in to ask the following question. Very smart. He'd fallen victim to a scam targeting Xfinity customers, and he said, quote, received a text message supposedly from Xfinity offering to cut his bill in half if he'd pay for 4 months in advance using a Target gift card. He later received a message that there was a problem with their system. He was asked to call a number to resolve the problem. He made the call and was then asked to purchase 2 eBay cards for $200 each and submit them. He was told that if he did this, his original $350 would be refunded to him via cashier's check overnight. The person said this had to be done within 3 hours of the time the call took place. After he had done this, he felt something just wasn't right here, so he checked with Xfinity and they knew nothing about it. He then contacted Target and informed them what had happened, and they said that there was nothing they could do either. The money now was simply gone. Leroy had been scammed. What happened to him is very unfortunate, and it's never fun to see another person get tricked by these evil crooks. So let's go over some tips on how to know if you're being scammed. First up, scammers may pretend to be from a reputable company, like Xfinity, for example, and offer these enticing deals over the phone that sound so irresistible. They'll ask for your account information under the pretense of confirming your identity. Remember, Xfinity and other legitimate companies, they're never going to do this. They're not going to make these unsolicited calls with such offers and then ask for your personal account info. Be cautious and do not fall for this type of a fake phone call. Gift cards might seem like a convenient payment method, right? But they're also a favorite tool for scammers because it's hard to track them. If anyone asks you to pay with a gift card or buy one for them, it is probably a scam unless it's your niece or nephew that you've known for a while. Gift card payments are untraceable, which means a scammer can vanish with your money and there's no trace of them. This one might sound obvious, but scammers can be incredibly convincing. If someone calls or texts you asking for your banking information, think twice. Scammers may claim that there's an issue with your account and trick you into handing over sensitive data. Never share this information over the phone unless you're the one who initiated the call by reaching out to the official company's number that you already know is true. Sometimes old-fashioned tricks still work. Scammers might try to steal your bills from your mailbox, giving them access to your personal information a lot easier. If you notice a missing bill, contact your provider immediately to sort it out. I'd recommend installing a video camera or other security measures at home to keep an eye on your property. I actually put a sensor on our mailbox so when the postal worker opens up the mailbox, it announces it inside. It says, hey, you've got mail. It's kind of fun. Lastly, I recommend installing antivirus software on all devices to prevent you from clicking on malicious links or opening dangerous attachments sent via text or email by a scammer. Now, I'm pretty experienced with this stuff, and if I didn't have antivirus protection, I know this, I click on links all the time, I'm motioning, you're going through stuff so fast, and you've just clicked it, and you go, wait, I don't think that's legit, and by then it's too late, unless you've got this protection. Oftentimes it'll stop it, or it makes the link null so that it doesn't go anywhere, which is such a great solution. You can find out my top antivirus protection reviews at cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter while you're there.